Okay, we're here in lovely Greenville, South Carolina, as part of the Euphoria, the Food and Wine Festival. Well, wait, I'm sitting here, we're talking to my buddy Roz. Roz and I have been hanging out the whole festival. Now, Roz, tell us your formal name and tell us a little bit about you.
My name is Rosalind Cummings Yates. I'm a travel writer and arts critic, and my blog is Farsighted Fly Girl. And I go to places and I check out the culture, which includes the food.
Right, okay, so we're at the Carolina Ale House because Roz heard about fried pickles, which I call frickles because when I moved to Atlanta, people tell me about fried pickles, but they call them frickles. So when I mentioned the name frickles, Roz fell out laughing.
Yeah, I hadn't heard that term, but I was told this was a key part of what people in Greenville eat, so I have to try it.
Right, so we're going to go in here and try some frickles, all right? So we're going to come back to part 2 of the tape and hopefully share with you guys Roz's experience with frickles.
Frickles! See ya!